Hi guys, welcome to or back to my channel. I'm so happy that you guys are here. I recently just got home for winter break and I actually also just got my wisdom teeth out. Well, one wisdom tooth. I still have 3 more to go actually, which is crazy. But I've just been resting and recovering from that. I was literally out, you guys. I only resurrected like 3 days ago, but I'm back now. I'm so excited to be back. And yeah, I thought it'd be so much fun if I pulled out the camera today and filmed a vlog. I missed vlogging so much. It's been such a hectic semester, but now that I'm on break, I'm so excited to have time to film again. I thought I would do a little get ready with me. So yes, let's get ready for the day. I'm gonna start by doing my hair. Something just dropped in my closet. Anyways, my hair is still a little bit wet from the shower I took this morning. I'm just gonna brush it out. I feel like my hair can stay so wet for like hours. It's actually crazy. But anyways, I'm gonna use my Revlon brush to do a little blowout. This is my favorite thing ever. I actually tried this for the first time in a video like 2 or 3 years ago, which is crazy to say, but I absolutely fell in love with it. I was like, there's no way I could love it that much. And then now I'm just like, it's like my holy grail. I love it. Anytime I use heat on my hair, it's usually for this, and I use it to either make it straight or do waves as well, which is what I'm gonna do today, and I'll show you guys. It's such a good tool. I really recommend. Also, message from future Lexi. I did in fact just run out of heat protectant. This is when I usually put in the heat protectant, but I did in fact run out. I do in fact need to get some more, but definitely use heat protectant. It's super important. Okay, I'm gonna start doing the blow. Alright, I'm gonna start blowing out my hair. To get the curl, I actually do this thing that I learned from, I think, a Sarah Caroli video. Her hair is stunning. Basically, what she did in her video was she just brushed down the piece like this, and then she does this kind of like twisting situation, kind of like that, and then she'll let go. And I also try to spin the brush away from my face, kind of like this. I usually try to do a few brushes before, then after I'll do the twist in the direction away from my face. And they could definitely fall quite a bit, so I like to keep them all twisted and yeah. Alright, this side's done, and I'm gonna do the other side now. Alright, this is the finished hair. I'll usually just touch it up with a few extra little twists and shake it out a little bit, and yeah. So I usually don't put on a lot of makeup on my more chill days, but I usually like to put on some kind of lip product. This one is one of my absolute favorites. It's the Glossier cherrybomb.com. It just gives a little tint, which I love, and it smells so good. And then if I'm feeling fancy, I'll just also just put a tiny bit on my cheeks, just to act as a little blush. And yeah, and also if I'm feeling a little fancy, also just a little bit of mascara. This one is the Almay Volume and Conditioning Mascara. Alright, so that is the finished little look. I'm just gonna unplug this blow dryer. I also want to show you guys the fit we have on today. This top is from Kohl's. It just says Los Angeles, California on it, and it's super cute. And then these jeans are low-rise jeans from Hollister, which is where I get so much of my clothes. I'm a Hollister addict. I am addicted to Hollister, seriously. The Hollister clearance section online, I'm on there way too much. Hollister, if you're watching, I love you. I love you guys.
But next time I know